As part of the government's efforts to beautify public buildings through the ST Plus Art India's Donate a Wall initiative, in collaboration with Asian Paints and the Department of Textiles, Meghalaya, Minister Paul Lyngdoh inaugurated a new artwork at the entrance of the Directorate of Sericulture and Weaving Office in Lachimere on the 9th of September 2024. Present at the event were Principal Secretary of the Textiles Department, Government of Meghalaya, Frederick Roy Kharkongor, and the Director of Sericulture and Weaving, CB Sangma, among others. The artwork, designed by artist Siddharth Goyal, features a depiction of a female weaver at work, symbolizing Meghalaya's rich cultural heritage and the intricate weaving of its history and traditions. Speaking at the event, Minister Paul Lyngdoh emphasized that such art projects, which will continue in the future, highlight Meghalaya as a state blessed with natural beauty and citizens who actively contribute to its cultural richness.
So with such more such murals coming up, I think the Textiles Department has really come of age, and we are ready to show to the rest of the world that Meghalaya is not only God's gift, but man has also contributed his bit to make the place, to make our state more scenic, more beautiful, more eye-catching. If you look at the nature around us, just the trees around us, the colors that you see, those are God's gift to us. So we should ask ourselves, what do we return? What do we have to give in return for what God has gifted us? And I think it's very clear. Make our city more colorful, make our city more aesthetically appealing. And if a simple urn can move John Keats to write his ode to a Grecian urn, why not the beauty that we see around us? So once again, my heartiest congratulations to the entire Department of Textiles, the Directorate here, and I would sincerely appeal to other officers to also be similarly influenced and encouraged, so that the idea of government officers being just brick and mortar, that idea should now be replaced. And if you look at the lady spinning and concentrating her entire sight, her ears, her eyes to what she's doing, that shows the need for focus. Meghalaya needs that focused today, and with the right leadership and the right team in place, we can take and should be able to take this state of ours forward to where the rest of the world has reached.